to describe how to install and run the tool JS-CID. First of all, we can download it. We must have to download it. We can download it in two various ways. We can download it as zip, or we just clone the repository via HTTPS link. I'm going to use the second one. To do this, I'm going to open my terminal. Let me do this. Give me some time. Okay, open terminal. You can open your terminal anywhere as you want on your file system. I'm going to clone this on my desktop and clone this repository via Git. To do this, you must have Git already installed on your system. Then use this command and paste the HTTPS link and hit enter. The repository is just on the process of cloning, and the cloning is already done. Thank you. And I'm going to refresh my desktop, and as you can see, the JS-CID is already seen on my desktop. I'm going to change the directory to JS-CID. To do this, just use this command. Okay, now I have to create a virtual environment and then activate it. To create a virtual environment, you must have to Python installed and on your system already, and Node.js runtime installed on your system already to uh, extract the traceback from your error-prone JavaScript file. Okay, write this command and hit enter to create a virtual environment. Wait for to be done. Okay, it's done already, and I'm going to activate my virtual environment using this command. If you are using Windows, then you have to write down this command. Like, as you can see, the environment green text is indicating that my environment or virtual environment is already activated. If you are using Windows, not Windows, or Linux, Unix, or Mac based system, then you have to type the same command in a just a little bit of modification like this. So if you are using Linux, Windows, not Windows, or Mac based system, then you have to write this command and hit enter to activate your virtual environment. I am not using Linux or Mac, so I am just going further. Well, now you must have to install the all necessary and required packages from requirements.txt using this command. Which is pip install -r flag requirements.txt and hit enter and wait for the process to be done, and make sure you have the reliable internet connection, and also the internet connection is fast and enhanced. Then it will install all the required packages from which are specified in requirements.txt. Wait for the process to be done. There is no error, that is indicating that our system is running well, and the packages installation is going well also. Maybe it's done. Okay, it's done already. Now it's time to run our tool. To run our tool, you have to specify the file path relatively or absolutely. And as you can see, I have already included some example error prone JavaScript files on Xcodes folder on my repository. I'm going to use one from this. Uh, you may use your own. As you can see, I'm just telling Python to run my main.py scripts, and I'm giving a parameter which is the error prone JavaScript file, which is relative to my current project directory. You can specify full specified path, no matter, it will run, and then hit enter. And after that, my tool is uh, inspecting this file, and as you can see, the inspection is done, and it also indicating the error prone line here, which is assigning a variable, reassigning a variable which is already a constant, and summarizes the traceback from the original traceback, which is obtained from the node.js traceback. And this traceback, or this summarized JSON error error issue, is given to the Stack Overflow, Google Gemini, and other resources, and fetching those resources via HTTPS request, and ranked those solutions, relative solutions, and also rank those solutions via most vote count up, and marked down and highlighted those solutions in directly on your terminal, which can help you. And also there are some helpful text already included, and this is how we can run our JS-CID tool. We are just continuously improving the performance and updating our tool. If you have any inquiry, you can submit this inquiry by raising an issue on our GitHub repository. I'm going to include the repository link on our video description. Please check it out. Thank you.